इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you so much for joining us today for yet another informative edition of Franchise Business Opportunity over Chai webinar series. Franchise India is helping all the international and national brands for their franchise development with our extensive and exhaustive network. And we have helped thousands of investors in getting the suggestion from us and the right selection of the brand. We invite and welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. Both are leading the team of consultant working each one of you for your day-to-day franchise solutions. The brand which we are representing today is Barcelona. Yes, Barcelona is the brand we are representing today. It's India's fastest growing clothing brand, which is designed for everyday wardrobe. And they run some attractive discounts for you guys, and that comes under low cost opportunity. And it is our privilege to welcome Mr. Gupta, who will talk about the brand. He will give you the complete and the correct understanding and the franchise model information so that you can take proper decision. Thank you so much, Mr. Gupta, for joining in. Over to you. सर आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Hi Sonia, hello everyone. We welcome everyone to this webinar. Barcelona is a men's casual wear brand. I'll start sharing the PPT. Barcelona is a men's casual wear brand which more focuses on the affordable range, wherein shirts, denims, t-shirts are more for the middle class economy, and the target consumers are usually the salaried range and the middle class consumers जिनको अभी मार्केट में cost effective garments and value backed garments चाहिए. So basically Barcelona is into a affordable range of garments, not just fashion wear of garments. This is one of the pics of our store. सी बार्सिलोना के अंदर कुछ वैल्यूज है, ब्रांड के कुछ मोरल्स है, कुछ एथिक्स है जिसके बेस पे ब्रांड का विजन बिल्ड हुआ है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली इज द ब्रांड ट्रस्ट एंड एथिक्स ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज, of the system, of the working, जिस format में, जिस system में garment production होता है, which is completely to create an affordable range of garment. Channel partners के लिए value है, जहाँ पे कोई भी channel partner को problems है, उसके लिए dedicated team है. Production की, garments की quality top priority पे रखा जाता है. There's no compromise on the quality of the products, no compromise on the pricing of the products. Customer engagement and satisfaction is the most important thing which a brand should think of. So Barcelona के अंदर हमने customer engagement and satisfaction के लिए बहुत सारी policies बना रखी है, जहाँ पे customer engagement एक salesman के end से properly हो. Customer जब store के अंदर enter होता है, तब वहां से लेके उसकी जो shopping होती है, उसका purchasing हो रहा है, उसका bill बन रहा है, वहां तक की जो पूरी process है, वो एक consumer को इतना satisfactory लगे कि he becomes a loyal customer of the brand. उसका एक पूरा framework है, उसकी policies है, and Barcelona उस पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus और dedicated है. See, this is superior denims. So denims is a completely very niche market. Denims के अंदर Barcelona ने बहुत ज़्यादा R&D करके कुछ affordable range develop की है, जहाँ पे consumer 600-700 rupees की range में एक high premium fashionable and comfortable denim he can buy from our store. This is our product category. So now we are into the categories of t-shirts, shirts, trousers, denims, boxers, suits, innerwear and socks. T-shirts के अंदर there's a wide range, formal t-shirts, casual t-shirts, polo, round neck, flat knit t-shirts, winter t-shirts. Similarly, shirts के अंदर there's a range of formal shirts, casual shirts, semi-casual shirts. We use a very variety of fabrics in the shirts. मतलब it is not just कि casual shirt categorize कर दिया या formal shirt categorize कर दिया. Formal shirts के अंदर एक specified fabric range होती है, जिसमें there's a poplin range and satin range. फिर casual shirts के अंदर एक dedicated fashionable range होती है. So Barcelona more focuses on this kind of range, wherein a customer can specify कि हाँ मैं ये casual wear के लिए buy कर रहा हूँ और ये formal wear के लिए buy कर रहा हूँ. Trousers में we have cotton trousers, formal trousers. Cotton trousers में भी we have a variety of fabrics, wherein there are dobbies, checks, printed fabrics, which is the trend now. Denims में जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, denims is a very niche market. Denims के अंदर usually market में जो products available है, it is a premium range product which goes from 1000 plus purchasing. So हमने एक denim की range prepare की है, जहाँ पे 700-800 rupees की denims की range है, which is a very fashionable and comfortable wear of denims. Boxers, see, boxers is one of the USP products of Barcelona because we have launched the boxers at price of 199. So 200 rupees में consumer को जब boxer मिल रहा है, तो he won't prefer any other brand. So boxers के अंदर हमने 60 count of fabrics जो usually shirts में use होते हैं, यानी इतना premium fabrics use करके and stitching को control करके variety of boxers की range develop की है. Suitings and blazers. See, this range, suits and blazers is more of formal and marriage season kind of range. So suits में हमने blazers की एक specified range develop की है, wherein जो market में suits available है, that is in the range of 4,000-5,000 rupees. In Barcelona, suits range is available at 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, which is a very affordable range. Innerwear में we have briefs, trunks, shorts, waist, gym vest. This is the basic range of innerwear. Socks, so socks is now a daily wear. मतलब कोई भी consumer आ रहा है तो वो एक socks का pair तो buy करेगा ही. इसके अलावा बार्सिलोना ब्रांड के अंदर दूसरी भी बहुत सारी प्रोडक्ट रेंज है. See, this is network. So currently we have 43 exclusive brand outlets. We are available in more than 600 multi-brand outlets and 30 distributors of network we have pan India. In Ahmedabad itself, we have 6 stores. We have one in Bhuj, in Bharuch, Ranchi. We are more focused right now into Gujarat and Rajasthan, now entering into MP, Maharashtra, and pan India network. मल्टी ब्रांड आउटलेट्स भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स के थ्रू स्टॉक जाता है मल्टी ब्रांड आउटलेट्स में our 30 distributors are each distributor is distributing in more than 20 retail outlets, which is a very good number. So retail outlets may be product accepted in this range. This is one of the photos of our store, that is the Barcelona store. Now we'll come to the commercials part and we'll discuss why you should take the Barcelona franchisee. Okay, so first thing is the attractive MRP range for customers. Barcelona ने purely affordable range पे focus किया है, ना कि premium range पे and ना ही cheap range पे. It is the middle target, affordable range. So attractive MRP range, a consumer can buy a t-shirt from Barcelona at a price of 500 rupees, a denim at a price of 700 rupees, shirt at a price of 600 rupees, cotton trouser and pants at a price of 700 rupees. So ये जो range है 500 to 800 900 rupees की range, this is more available on the multi-brand outlets, wherein a consumer is not buying a brand, he's just buying the product. So our main folio is to provide the consumer a brand in the same range. It is a discount scheme throughout the year. So currently we are running a scheme of buy one get three, buy two get six, buy three get 10. एक प्रोडक्ट कंज्यूमर खरीद रहा है, उस पर उसको 2 प्रोडक्ट फ्री है. So he's paying only for 1 product and he's getting 2 products free. So this is a discount scheme which we are currently running at our stores, and 365 days Barcelona will always be into a discounted scheme, so we can attract more and more customers into our store. Trade discount on extra sales. If a consumer purchases a single bill of 5,000 rupees, we provide him an extra discount of 10%. So this type of things attract consumers to buy more. Very less investment required. बार्सिलोना के अंदर एक फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर खड़ा करने के लिए maximum investment required is 12 to 15 lakhs, which is a very nominal investment for a new beginner or for an entrepreneur to start his own business. Salesman and franchisee training every quarter. The HO team is very much dedicated in training and polishing the salesman and store manager of our franchisee stores. So it is a continuous process wherein salesmen and store managers are daily trained to how to pitch to the customers, how to maintain the store, stock level किस तरह से maintain करना है, क्या product चलेगा, क्या नहीं चलेगा, उसको कैसे analysis करना है. Everything is trained by the company. 100% stock correction every quarter. एक कभी भी कोई भी अपैरल ब्रांड का फ्रेंचाइजी लेता है, कोई भी एंटरप्रेन्योर या कोई भी न्यू बिगनर, तो उसके लिए सबसे बड़ा डाउट या चैलेंज ये होता है कि माल नहीं बिका तो क्या. सो वहां पे कंपनी ने उसको एक 100% गारंटी दे दी है कि अगर आपका माल नहीं बिकता है तो कंपनी वापस ले लेगी. तो फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर जब खुल रहा है तो फ्रेंचाइजी पार्टनर या चैनल पार्टनर के लिए कहीं पे भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है कि अगर स्टॉक नहीं बिका तो क्या हो, क्योंकि कंपनी ने उसको गारंटीड अश्योरेंस दिया है कि स्टॉक नहीं बिकेगा, कंपनी वापस ले लेगी. So this also proves that how much we are dedicated towards providing the right stock to the consumer. Addition of new products every month. Currently we are having more than 300 SKUs in a single store. It is a motto of the company to provide 50 SKUs additional every month. So when a store has 50 SKUs addition every month, the reputation of customer increases at a very high level. Publicity support every week. Usually we work on the higher side marketing, wherein digital marketing is continuously active from the store opening to on daily basis. Like what we do is on the marketing side, we take the 4 kilometer radius of the store location. तो जो 4 किलोमीटर का रेडियस है जहां पे स्टोर लोकेटेड है, वहां से लेके 4 किलोमीटर के रेडियस तक में continuously there's a digital marketing activity going on. After that, we work on hoardings, newspaper ads, radio ads, and there are other marketing tools also like leafleting, attractive and customer accepted designs. जो भी डिजाइनिंग है बार्सिलोना गारमेंट्स का एंड उसकी जो मर्चेंडाइजिंग है, इट इज डन बाय अ वेरी स्पेशलाइज्ड डिजाइनर्स टीम. जो डिजाइनर्स है, दे आर वेरी मच वेल एक्सपीरियंस्ड and they have a very high education in the designing field. They have a good analysis on the customers, unka choice, unka acceptance on the color. So even from the label color point to the garment designing point, it is a very dedicated working. All time stock availability. Barcelona, there's a warehouse of Barcelona in Ahmedabad and there's a depot in Rajasthan also. So Barcelona के stock आपको राजस्थान में आपका कोई भी स्टोर खुल रहा है तो आपके पास 24 आवर्स में अवेलेबल हो जाएगा, गुजरात में 24 आवर्स में अवेलेबल हो जाएगा एंड बाकी पैन इंडिया कहीं पे भी 48 आवर्स में वी आर श्योर टू गेट द डिलीवरी डन. देयर इज ऑलवेज स्टॉक हेल्ड बाय द कंपनी. This is right now what we are focusing on, the major expansion plan. International fashion garments. So what does international fashion garments mean? इंडिया के अंदर एक ट्रेंड है कि जो इंटरनेशनल अपील है फैशन गारमेंट्स की, वो कंज्यूमर्स को बहुत अट्रैक्ट करती है कि अदर ब्रांड्स में जो अदर इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स है उनका गारमेंट कैसा दिखता है, वो बहुत अपील करता है कंज्यूमर्स को, इंडियन कंज्यूमर्स को, मेनली इन द मिडिल क्लास सेगमेंट. सो हम इंटरनेशनल फैशन को भी फॉलो करते हैं. बार्सिलोना के अंदर इंटरनेशनल फैशन किस तरह से ट्रेंड में है, क्या चीज इंटरनेशनल फैशन को ड्राइव कर रही है, what is accepted in the international market that is brought into the Indian market. Way forward. So what is now Barcelona is looking for? We'll discuss on that. Focus on network expansion, product innovations and category extensions for growth. Right now we are more into Gujarat, Rajasthan. Now we are open for pan India and with currently having 43 EBOs. Now we'll be more increasing the numbers within coming 6 months. So network expansion is into the core. Product innovations. There is a constant R&D team which is working on the product innovations part. Category extensions. See, consumers need an additional category every month in a particular franchisee store. So like we say, accessories के अंदर हमने wallet add किया, फिर belt add किया, cufflinks add की, tie add किया. So this is a category extension, which is always in a continuous process, month on month basis. Impactful marketing campaigns to strengthen brand. Now, once जब एक फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर खुलता है तो फर्स्ट टारगेट होता है कि कंज्यूमर की रीच होना. सो इनिशियली 3 months तक हम फोकस करते हैं, कंपनी फोकस करती है कि स्टोर की रीच मैक्सिमम लोगों तक पहुंचे पर्टिकुलर एरिया में. Then we focus on creating the brand value for that particular store. So जब भी एक फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर नया खुलता है, वहां पे हम पहले 3 महीने फोकस करते हैं कि उसका मैक्सिमम रीच हो, मैक्सिमम लोगों को पता चले कि यहाँ पे बार्सिलोना का स्टोर खुला है. Then we focus on creating the brand value of the store. Accelerate store expansion agenda. Store expansion is what we are corely thinking now. जितना ज्यादा स्टॉक अवेलेबिलिटी होगी, जितना ज्यादा ब्रांड की अवेयरनेस होगी, उतना ईच एंड एवरी फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर को बेनिफिट मिलेगा. Strengthen digital and analytics capabilities. जब एक कंज्यूमर स्टोर में आता है तो इट इज नॉट एवरी टाइम कि आप कंज्यूमर को सेटिस्फाई कर ही पाओगे. 10 में से 8 कंज्यूमर्स को इफ यू आर कन्वर्टिंग, सो योर कन्वर्जन रेशियो इज 80%, व्हिच इज अ वेरी गुड नंबर. नाउ इफ आपका कन्वर्जन रेशियो 70% है या 60% है, तो वहां पे किस तरह से उसको हम बढ़ा सकते हैं. सो दैट इज अ डिजिटल एंड एनालिटिक्स कैपेबिलिटीज व्हिच कंपनी के अंदर उसकी पूरी ट्रेनिंग होती है कि क्यों कंज्यूमर रिटर्न गया, हम कंज्यूमर का कन्वर्जन रेट कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं. Build on the momentum in innerwear business. See, currently innerwear business is very much growing. After the pandemic, innerwear segment ने बहुत ज़्यादा boom भी लिया. So we are focusing more कि हम एक store franchise store के अंदर minimum 10 to 12% का stock innerwear का categorize कर सकें. continue to invest in brand. See, company and the promoters are continuously working and investing in the brand to create a good brand value and attract more customers. So this is some of the achievements. Now we'll discuss on the franchisee model. So before we start the franchisee model discussion, I'd like to brief more about the Barcelona brand. Currently, Barcelona has 43 exclusive outlets. Each of the stores is performing really well. Right now, each of the stores is on an average sale of 6 to 7 lakh rupees, which is a very good number for a franchisee partner, channel partner. इसके अलावा, right now, we have launched our website, that is barcelonaclub.in. We have created an omni-channel system wherein अगर ऑनलाइन कोई भी ऑर्डर आता है तो जो भी लोकली या नियर बाय रिटेल आउटलेट होगा, फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर होगा, वहीं से वो स्टॉक की डिलीवरी होगी. सो फ्रेंचाइजी को रिटेल ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर्स का भी एक रेवेन्यू मिलेगा, वेरिन जहां पे ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर्स लाने के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटी कंपनी बहुत हेवीली कर रही है और उसका रेवेन्यू में एक शेयर फ्रेंचाइजी को भी मिल रहा है. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल. What we require for the Barcelona is a potential entrepreneurs and people who are eager and aggressive in the working part. See, running a retail outlet requires a lot of continuous customer engagement. Wherein जब भी जो customer आ रहा है, आप उसके साथ किस तरह से discussion करते हो, उसको किस तरह से अपने brand को explain करते हो, उसको you need to convert that consumer to the purchasing. So वहाँ पे आपका एक entrepreneur का या जो भी beginner है जो franchisee ले रहा है उसका एक कंटिन्यूस एफर्ट है. So 35% margin on net sale proceeds in Barcelona products. Franchisee outlet receives a 35% of commission, that is the margin on net sale proceeds. Net sale proceeds is MRP less discounts, less all taxes, duties and charges. 100 रुपए की MRP का सपोज कोई प्रोडक्ट है, उसमें 50% ऑफ है. So that is 50 rupees the selling price, less 5% GST, that is 2.5 rupees. So basically 47.5 rupees पे franchisee outlet receives a 35% of margin. 38% margin on net sale proceeds in Liverpool innerwear products. जो innerwear products है बार्सिलोना की या लिवरपूल की, उसके ऊपर franchisee outlet को 38% margin है, that is on net sale proceeds, the same. 1 to 3% additional margin of net quarterly turnover on target achievement. कोई भी रिटेल आउटलेट या कोई भी फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट है कंपनी का या फ्रेंचाइजीज का जो 6 से 7 लाख रुपए कर रहा है अभी करंटली, सो कंपनी उसको एक अच्छा टारगेट देती है 8 लाख का, 9 लाख का, which is a target equivalent for the store manager also, not just the franchisee owner. स्टोर मैनेजर की भी वो लायबिलिटी है वो टारगेट को अचीव करना. वो टारगेट्स पे कंपनी एडिशनल डिस्काउंट स्कीम्स और एडिशनली इंसेंटिव देती है, दैट इज 1 to 3%. Target shall be mutually agreed between licensee and licensor. So what does this? इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर आप जब नया एक फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट बार्सिलोना का खोलते हो तो पहले दिन से नहीं, ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है कि आप 6-7 लाख रुपए की सेल कर लोगे. कंपनी डजंट बॉन्ड यू कि आप इतना सेल करो ही करो, कैसे भी करो, ऐसा नहीं है. कंपनी आपको सपोर्ट करती है उतना सेल अचीव करने में. वो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, तो जो टारगेट्स है वो भी हम म्यूचुअली डिस्कस करेंगे डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द एरिया. Payment of margin will be settled on monthly basis from 7th to 10th of next month. Every month जो भी आपका कमीशन निकलता है 35% का मार्जिन, वो आपको नेक्स्ट मंथ 7th to 10th of the calendar month आपको क्रेडिट हो जाता है आपके अकाउंट में. That commission stock will be provided on sale or return basis to the franchisee. So this is the very important part and ये आपके लिए most comfortable part है for any franchisee outlet. उसको स्टॉक की लायबिलिटी नहीं है. इफ द स्टोर इज नॉट रनिंग, अगर कोई रीजन से ही वांट्स टू शट डाउन द स्टोर एंड ही इज रिटर्निंग द स्टॉक, तो उसको जो भी स्टॉक का पूरा पैसा है वो कंपनी रिफंड करती है. तो ही डजंट हैव टू बी लायबल टुवर्ड्स द स्टॉक. रजिस्ट्रेशन फी ऑफ 3 lakhs नॉन रिफंडेबल टू बी पेड एट द टाइम ऑफ बिलिंग रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म. सो 3 lakhs इज द फ्रेंचाइजी फी. नाउ आई से 3 lakh रुपए फ्रेंचाइजी फी हम क्यों लेते हैं. So 3 lakh rupees franchisee fee के अंदर we cover your software, hangers, carry bag, in-store branding, board letters, and the marketing support and training support. When we say marketing support, सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं कि अभी marketing support देंगे. We have a concrete plan of a marketing. जब भी एक नया स्टोर खुलता है तो उसके पीछे क्या मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटी करनी है, उसका एक बजट होता है. मोर देन 70% ऑफ योर फ्रेंचाइजी फीस गोज इनटू द मार्केटिंग बजट. इंटरेस्ट एट द रेट 12% shall be paid to the franchisee on ST. So जो भी आपका सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट है कंपनी के अंदर, जो आप स्टॉक के लिए दे रहे हो, उसके ऊपर आपको 12% एनुअली इंटरेस्ट मिलता है. दैट इज क्रेडिटेड ऑन क्वार्टरली बेसिस, 1% मंथली. Now we'll discuss on the investment part. This is for the 500 square feet of store. Wooden flooring is 25,000 rupees. Display rack, जो racks वगैरह है पूरा furnitures and all, that is 2 lakhs. Display table 15,000. Display rack 10,000. Cash counter table 10,000. Wallpaper color XYZ. So this is all the working and investment details, wherein the total is approx about 8 lakh rupees, 7 to 8 lakh rupees, जो आपका टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है इंटीरियर के अंदर. रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 5 to 8 lakh rupees इज द इंटीरियर कॉस्ट. आपका स्टोर कितना तैयार है उसके ऊपर आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन द इंटीरियर विल बी काउंटेड. स्टॉक इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 8 lakh rupees. 8 लाख रुपए की कंपनी आपसे सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट लेती है एक फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट से. वो 8 लाख के सामने कंपनी मिनिमम 2000 पीसेस का स्टॉक देती है. 2000 pieces is the minimum stock assurance, and that is an MRP value of approx 40 to 45 lakh rupees. Now the franchisee fee 3 lakhs, so total is about 17 lakh rupees of investment. See, remarks में लिखा है कि आपको किस तरह का कराना है, and it is not compulsory to आपको कंपनी से ही कराना है. You can get it done from your own vendors. Now this is for the 700 square feet store. So 500 and 700 square feet store में इन्वेस्टमेंट में आपका ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है एक फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर का. इट इज जस्ट अबाउट 5 लाख रुपीस का डिफरेंस, बट सेल के अंदर इट क्रिएट्स अ वेरी ह्यूज डिफरेंस. A 500 square feet of store will get you a sale about 4.5 to 5 lakh rupees, whereas 700 square feet of store can get you a sale of about 7 lakh to 8 lakh rupees. So this is the major difference, wherein your investment doesn't increase much. It is about 5 lakh rupees only. So return on investment. Now we have taken an interior cost of about 6 lakh rupees, stock of 8 lakh, franchisee fee of 3 lakh. So your total investment is about 17 lakh rupees. Operational cost, that is rent 70,000, salary 35,000, wherein we take two executives, one is the store manager and one is the sales executive. Electricity bill, other expenses, so total is about 1,20,000 rupees. अगर एक स्टोर 6 लाख रुपए की सेल करता है मंथली, 6 लाख रुपीस की अगर वो स्टोर सेल कर रहा है, so on a 35% margin, the revenue of the store is 2,10,000 rupees. 2,10,000 में से आप 1,28,000 का आपका टोटल एक्सपेंस निकाल, जिसमें हमने इंटीरियर डेप्रिसिएशन भी काउंट कर लिया for the 3 years, which is mentioned on the right hand side. So 1,28,000 rupees का हमने एक्सपेंस निकाला, तो एक फ्रेंचाइजी स्टोर का नेट प्रॉफिट आया 81,500 rupees. Incentive on sale आया 12,000. So approximately you are on a revenue of 93,000 rupees, which is a very good revenue. आपका एक साल में एक फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट का एक साल में पूरा पैसा निकलता है with the interior depreciation. जो स्टॉक का पैसा है वो भी निकलता है. We shall even consider the worst scenario, wherein your average sale is only 3 lakh rupees. अगर 3 लाख रुपए की भी महीने की सेल आती है, still you will be on no profit no loss. So आपका ब्रेक इवन 3 लाख रुपीस पे आ जाता है. अब 3 लाख की सेल ऐसी है कि जो कोई भी स्टोर, कैसा भी स्टोर, कोई भी लोकेशन पे अगर 500 स्क्वायर फीट काम कर रहे हैं, कंपनी के मार्केटिंग सपोर्ट से इजीली वी कैन अचीव. सो फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट के लिए there is no possibility of getting into a loss or getting into a liability. There's always a profitability or break even. So these are some 2-3 products of the Barcelona, and so this is one of the posters of current running scheme, which is buy 1 get 3, buy 2 get 6, buy 3 get 10. We shall discuss on more on the product range side. Okay, so currently आप जो देख रहे हो, that is t-shirt, shirts, trousers. इसके अलावा company is focusing on it to increase the product range, wherein we are focusing to even provide sets of suiting and shirting, जो ready to stitch kind of suiting and shirtings के fabrics आते हैं. We are focusing on that thing also. उसके अलावा company is trying to create some innovative products like t-shirts के अंदर we have launched a flat knit t-shirt. Now flat knit t-shirts is is a t-shirt which is made directly from yarn to the final product. वो fabric से stitch नहीं होता. It is a yarn to direct product. So this is one of the innovative products of company Flatnet t-shirts है. इसमें there are more than 200 styles and designs available. It is also available on our website. Superior denims में as I said कि initially जो हमने denims launch किए थे वो 900,000 की रेंज में, उसी रेंज के अंदर हमने अभी fashionable and international अपील वाले denims launch किए हैं.
Thank you very much, Jaminji. I think you still have more presentation to go, or we can take some Q&A.
No, it is done, Gaurav. It is done.
Thank you, Jamin. This is very, very informative and very good presentation. And I should say that you have also elaborated a lot on the business model and the financial model, because it's very important. Sometimes people don't get view. So I have just a few highlights which I've picked up as the notes on your thing. And before we go to the question, I'd like to summarize for our audience. It's a low capex model, so the problem in fashion retail we have seen is that the companies actually overload capex on companies that typically would work on a 3,500 to 5,500 per square feet kind of a capex in fashion. So what I think Barcelona has actually done is that they've reduced the capex. That's one big highlight. And that's where fashion stores, you never cannot do less than 30, 40, 50 lakh rupees. Most of them would go actually above 50 lakh rupees if you really see other fashion stores. So it is an opportunity which comes in only about 17 odd lakh rupees. So that's an opportunity. That's one. The second highlight, which is very important in fashion, is SOR, sale or return. So you don't really have any form of dead stock if the stock doesn't move. Right? Third, which is very rare to get, is on your deposit, which is 8 lakh rupees. So there are two components of your investment. One is 8 lakh rupees as capex, which you do on interiors and the franchise fees. The interior is only 5 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees is towards your franchise fees. And there is another 8 lakh rupees technically, which is your deposit with a company, which also attracts 12% return. So technically your money, you are already making money on the 12 lakh rupees, 8 lakh rupees, 12% return. So that also comes in. And fourth is there is an incremental margin which comes in with the schemes which the company runs on the sales volumes and so on and so forth. So it's a very attractive business model. It comes from now when they've run already 43 odd stores and
43 stores.
43 stores and about 600 MBOs. 600 MBOs also is a very large number to run. So they understand what would work, what wouldn't. Rollout for a company has been historically in Gujarat. Gujarat is a very demanding market when it comes to value fashion. There is a lot of brands out there in Gujarat. A lot of people don't know, but Gujarat has one of the largest supply of value fashion historically. So there is value fashion brand. Do one, buy one, get two, or whatever the number is. So there is a lot of discounted brands which are available there. Well, it is available in Andhra, Telangana also. There is a lot in, but most of them are actually based out of Gujarat. So Gujarat is a very, very market on that. So they have survived, not only survived, but they have gone up the ladder on terms of giving a great value to the customer and a value experience. So let's start with the questions. You've said the rollout for you is historically has been Gujarat and Rajasthan, and now you started expanding outside. Now my question is, which other markets would become the priority markets for you? And fashion is always about building clusters. And so what is the rollout for you now going in? How many stores you're looking in MP? How many you're looking in other states like UP, Bihar, or, Jharkhand, Odisha? These are states which have very large demand side today for value fashion. Even MP is very large for that.
Yeah, exactly, Gaurav. We have a store in UP in Sultanpur. It is doing about 8 lakh rupees a month. It is just a 600 square feet store. Ranchi, Jharkhand, we have a store. It is doing about 6 lakh rupees a month. And these both stores have been set up in a capex of about 12 lakh rupees. So when a store is set up in a capex of 12 lakhs and the monthly sale is 8 lakhs or 7 lakhs, there's a very good revenue for the franchisee. Like he can get his money ROI in 6 to 8 months. So
6 to 8 months.
company is
Yeah, please. Go
company
ahead.
is looking to expand to about 200 stores within the coming 6 months. We are now open for MP, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, MP, Maharashtra, mainly tier 2 and tier 3 cities. This are the very highly potential for Barcelona brand, because the consumers in this category is usually looking for a range of about 700 to 800 rupees for a piece and a 1500 rupees for a pair. So in that range, Barcelona satisfies the consumer to 100%. A fashion product at an affordable range. So
Very,
tier
very,
2.
yeah, very interesting. So it's now looking at about 160 odd stores, 157 stores to be added in 6 months. So very
Correct.
aggressive rollout plan, and that's why Franchise India is tied up with them. Franchise India is now in 80 cities, and all the cities can really work aggressively to look at finding a partner for you who has the right 500 to 700 of real estate which you can source, and then you have another liquidity of another 16 odd lakh rupees, 16 17 lakh rupees to start the business. Now let me start with another question on the real estate part of it, because what kind of real estate you look at, what kind of a specification you have for the store, and what kind of idle rental. Like Sultanpur can be a great example, because Sultanpur, I always say that India particularly is very underpenetrated when it comes to tier 3, tier 5. So these are cities where are giving a huge amount of throughput today. There's a huge opportunity coming in. So let's take an example of Sultanpur. What is the matrix of Sultanpur? What kind of rental you pay? Which is the location you got there?
Okay. We'll discuss for two stores, Sultanpur and Ranchi, both stores. So
Okay.
Sultanpur is about 550 square feet. The capex was about 13 lakh rupees, I guess, into interior, stock, franchisee fee, including everything. Capex was about 13 lakh rupees. Store is operational now for about 2 years. Store was inaugurated in 2019. Okay, 2019 starting. So it is now about 2 years of this. Each and every month, the store has projected and given a sale of about 4 to 5 lakh rupees. Now we talk about the revenue share and everything. Franchisee gets a revenue of about 35% margin for the Sultanpur store. Rent is approx 35,000 rupees for the store. See, the main benefit in tier 2 and tier 3 are the rentals are very low and the sale figures are very high. So it is a win-win situation. Rental is about 35,000 rupees. He has about 3 salesmen. So that is about 30,000 rupees, 65, plus additionally 15,000 rupees of other expenses, including light and everything. So the store is on a monthly expense of about 75 to 80,000 rupees, including all the expenses. Now, when the store performs a sale of about 5 lakh rupees, at 5 lakh, 35% margin, the revenue of the franchisee outlet is 1,75,000 rupees. Less the expenses, franchise is on a net profit of 1 lakh rupees. Each and every month, the franchise is making a minimum net profit of rupees 1 lakh. And on the season sale, he is making a profit about 2 lakh, 2.5 lakhs. So tier 2 and tier 3 are very good numbers. Ranchi, the same figures. Store rent is about 42,000 rupees. There are 3 salesmen, so that is 30,000, 72,000 rupees. Other expenses, total about store expense comes to 90,000 rupees a month. Okay, now that store is doing about 5 lakh rupees a month, same figures, 4.8. Last month was 4.8, 4 lakh 80,000 rupees. So same 1 lakh rupees of revenue for that store also. The idle rent for Barcelona can be 40,000 to 60,000 rupees. If a franchisee outlet takes a store of rental about 40,000 to 60,000, the company can assure that he will never have a loss or be on the no profit, no loss. He'll always make a profit. The company can assure that to the franchisee, because 40,000 to 60,000 rupees rental, other expenses, the store rent, total expenses come to about 90,000 rupees. Now to cover up the 90,000 rupees expense, there is only a sale requirement of 2.5 lakh rupees. That is very easily achieved. Ideal locations are for the company will be more in the market area wherein there are other brands available. So we can have easy customer walk-in. Standalone location, malls we don't prefer much, because malls carry high rental, high camp charges, and considering the price point of Barcelona, Usually malls carry a price point of 1200, 1500 rupees a piece. Barcelona is more focused into 700, 800 rupees a piece. So ideal locations would be a market area, standalone locations wherein we can attract consumers. There's a good parking facility, there's good frontage, about 12 feet to 13 feet of frontage. So this kind of locations can be very ideal for Barcelona.
Excellent. That's a very good piece. Now, when you said that the stock which you provide is about 45 lakh rupees MRP versus
Correct.
uh, only deposit of 8 lakh rupees, which is great because that means that you're a very well stocked store. But when we do the sale of 6-7 lakh rupees a month, it questions that we have normally about 4 turnovers in a fast fashion, and especially in fast fashion, it can be even more. So why would we have that stock levels kept on the store? Because in that sense, that you can optimum level of sales can be almost about 1.6 crore a year. That kind of sales, if you have to do 4 times stock turnover at a MRP value, it's just because of discounting and you give.
Yes, correctly. It is because of the discounted value. The average selling price of the consumer, जो consumer का purchasing price है, it comes about to almost 50%. So that is the main reason.
So that's a very important point. Audience should note that typically in a store of fashion, we normally take a 4 turnover of the stock value. So which means that stock value, because वो 45 lakh rupees की है, लेकिन क्योंकि हम discount पे देते हैं, ये this is a discount store, so technically the value which is given to the customer is half of that. So 4 times turnover would mean about 80 lakh rupees if we take the reduced price on that on an annualized basis, which comes down to be the same value which we are talking about, 8 to 9 lakh rupees
Exactly.
on a monthly cycle. So just to give brief on the stock turnover ratios and so on and so forth. Now there is also our senior consultant who's from just a minute. So Sudhakar Rao is also there, a senior consultant from Andhra. He's asking, is Andhra also available if somebody is keen on that? Are you open for Andhra?
Yes. We can work out on Andhra, but we would prefer a good location on the market area.
So good location. Andhra is a very good market.
Yes.
Isaac, all these places can be very interesting opportunities. So
Yes.
Sudhakar Rao ji, you can really work on this brand and find some good potential investors. Another question I will take, and then I'll pass it on to Sonia to take few questions. Amit also is asking on UP and Uttarakhand. Amit, both are open. They are doing extremely well in UP already. So so one question I will take, and then I'll pass it on to Sonia.
Sure.
Are you also open for a larger partner who comes in and says, let me develop a state with you and I'll be able to do a multi-unit kind of a role, or develop the stores for you and also create a distribution point? Because I feel that we have a very good model, but in the times when we used to do Peter England and likes of them, which are large retail networks being done by companies, so they used to create these state partners who would put up some structure and then further put that. And you also said you would have distribution point. So would you be also open for something like that if somebody comes and say, look, I want to develop Tamil Nadu, but I will put up some structure and also do retail outlets and also do MBOs in that city. So is it an option, or you want to stick to your EBO plan itself?
For sure, Gaurav, we are always open for the expansion plans. Okay, so when we say someone comes in, as in he's ready to develop the whole state, there's a partner, and we already have someone like this in Rajasthan. Now we can have someone like this in UP, Bihar, Jharkhand. So that term is master franchisee, what we talk usually. Okay, so master franchisee, we are on launch of minimum 5 stores by the master franchisee. Okay, so we usually, what we think is usually जब एक स्टेट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं तो बूम के साथ लॉन्च करें, सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं कि स्टोर खोल दिया और स्टोर खुला है, एक मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटी के साथ लॉन्च करें. सो व्हेन अ न्यू स्टेट, लाइक व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट आंध्र प्रदेश, तो आंध्र प्रदेश में करंटली वी डोंट हैव एनी स्टोर. नाउ इफ वी वांट टू ओपन आंध्र प्रदेश विद अ चैनल पार्टनर इन द स्टेट, सो वी वुड से कि आप मिनिमम 5 स्टोर्स एक साथ लॉन्च करो, बिकॉज़ कैपेक्स इज वेरी लो. So for a master franchisee, total capex for 5 stores is about 50-60 lakh rupees, which is a very nominal amount. So we are always open for this kind of channel partners.
So master franchisee is also open. Master franchisee has to do 5 company-owned outlets initially, before they can start franchising for them.
Franchising, yes.
Absolutely. Sonia, over to you for your question.
Thanks,
Thank
Chairman.
you,
I'll
Gaurav.
pick some questions from the audience and maybe pick with reference to the presentation that you gave. You talked about the margins which also are passed on to the franchisee in terms of the online sales, where the investment on the online marketing is done by you as a company, and you also pass on the sale to the franchisee, right? So the fulfillment of the product is done from the franchisee outlet.
Franchisee.
There's some percentage of that. What is that percentage? Is it not same as the 35 or 38%?
No, it is same as the 35%, but the courier charges are borne by the franchisee. So the net gross revenue comes to about 20 to 22%. Courier charges stand at about 14 to 15%.
And it is supplied directly by the company, right?
The stock is supplied by the franchisee outlet. Product. Suppose if we receive an online order from Jharkhand, Ranchi, and we already have a store in Ranchi, so that order will be passed to the Ranchi store. Ranchi store has to deliver that stock. The courier will be picked from his store itself. He just has to keep the piece ready, tagged with the invoice attached. The courier charges will be paid by the franchisee, and 35% whole commission will be received by the franchisee.
Okay. Now, when we talk about the price points, I see somebody who's asking about your price bracket across all the categories. And is there a differentiated pricing or product offering for your online and offline, which is your outlets?
No, there's the same MRP range, online and offline. Both MRP range will be continuous. Even the scheme will be continuous. Both the same schemes will be there. So
And
the consumer purchasing price will be same online and offline.
And so are the discounts which the company would offer.
Correct.
And how about the product? Is there some kind of product differentiation between these two?
No. See, when we say that the stock will be delivered from the franchisee store, so there's no possibility of differentiating in MRP or product category. There must be the same stock. Only then, जो franchisee store पे available है stock, वो online available है, तो ही वो store से delivery हो पाएगा. अगर product अलग-अलग है, तो फिर वो store पे stock ही नहीं है. So store जो online stock है, suppose franchisee store के पास 300 SKUs है, तो वही 300 SKUs online भी available है.
Okay. All right. Now, what happens, in case I'll also ask, you talked about the overall term. So term of the agreement is 5 years for a franchisee. And what happens in case of a master, because he needs to develop 5 outlets of his own, which will take time. It won't come up in the very first year, right? So how is the term of the agreements for a master franchisee?
For master franchisee, we can consider a minimum agreement of 15 years. Because we would also be looking for some long-term partners, not some partners who are there about for 2-3 years. Building a brand, creating a channel network takes time.
Sure.
We will support the master franchisee on marketing part, conversion part, providing the right stock, providing the right scheme, providing the right system, a continuous and smooth process in running the franchisee store.
And what happens on the renewal terms of a unit franchisee? Is there a subsequent payment that he makes for getting the...
No, there's no addition of payments, neither in the franchisee fee, neither in the stock. It is just the renewal of the agreement for additional 5 years.
Okay. Now I will also take a question. Say, for example, you already have an outlet in the city, and most of your outlets are in tier 2. It's a value retail, and you talked about some throughput of the outlet, which is anything between 4.5 to say about 7 odd lakhs, depending on the size and the format. Now, I have somebody who would like to know what happens if you have another outlet coming in the same city. Would the sales still be same? And that is the NTP.
We have a minimum radius of about 4 kilometers for 2 stores to open in a city. Like अगर रांची में एक store है, तो 4 kilometer के radius में वहाँ पे कोई दूसरा store open नहीं होगा. The minimum radius each store gets is 4 kilometer.
Even for a smaller town?
Smaller town, we will have only one store. For tier 3, there's only one store possibility. With a population of 2 lakh, 3 lakh, जो cities में 2 lakh, 3 lakh की population है, वहाँ पे एक store से ज़्यादा second store की viability नहीं है. It is increasing. मतलब वो अंदर competition बढ़ाने वाली बात है. So there is no consideration of opening a second store. For tier 3, there will be strictly one store. For tier 2, with a minimum of 4 kilometer radius.
Okay. Now that we have talked only about maybe an exclusive outlet, would you also have an opportunity of distributor or distribution opportunity where you currently don't have? Is that option also available at this
Right now, we are not much interested in appointing distributors. We are much interested in opening EBOs, exclusive brand outlets.
Okay. Now I have Manish Popat. He would like to know what are the MBO terms, and maybe just to extend another question, if somebody is already running an apparel store and he wants to
Hmm.
have maybe a shop in shop, for example, for Barcelona, is
Hmm.
there a format or a structure on those lines?
For a MBA store, we would require the outlet to purchase a minimum stock of about 5 lakh rupees and an additional franchisee fee, wherein we can have a part of a store. The whole branding activity will be done by the company. The whole marketing activity will be done by the company. The revenues will be same on the sharing part. Like the even the MBO will receive a 35% of margin plus the discount schemes. So the commercial part will be purchase of stock of rupees 5 lakhs plus the 3 lakh rupees franchisee fee.
Okay. Now,
And the NB outlet would be equally treated as an EBO by the company.
okay. Now, I also take, a lot of our friends would like to know what kind of processes followed to select a city and a franchisee, and if you can maybe elaborate on typical profile of partners that you are looking for. Do they need to be from the relevant background? So we have Mr. Manoj who would like to know, example, if I need an approval for a city called Cuttack, Odisha,
Hmm.
what is the probability of the acceptance, and what is the criteria for the selection, both for the city and the partner?
See what happens when a franchisee is interested for his particular location. We ask him to firstly share us the city. We do a research for the city and we revert about within 24 hours that can we do there or we cannot. Once we are okay to proceed with the city, we ask the franchisee partner to share the location, the finalized locations. Once the location is finalized, then the franchisee has to sign the LOI and proceed with the token amount of franchisee fees. Once receiving the franchisee fee token amount, executive will visit the store, create a blueprint for the interior of the store, finalize the marketing activity and opening date, and what all the activities are to be done by the company, what is done to be done by the franchisee. Once everything is finalized, we work towards the target of the opening date. Okay, so there is a whole dedicated team regarding the interior of the store, visual merchandising of the store. That team will be in constant coordination with the finalized franchisee and will drive him towards the opening date. So before the opening, there's a salesman, 2 to 3 salesman team visits the store. They create the whole visual merchandising, and on the opening date also there are 2 executives, sales executives from the company there on the opening date to support the franchisee.
Okay. Now, what is the lead time for a franchisee to be set up after the location has been finalized? Typically, how long does it take for the entire store to be set up?
Minimum it takes about 12 days, and maximum it will take about 25 days.
25 days.
Correct. If the store is builder scope work has been done and the store is naked, available to start the fit out process, we can get it done. We can launch the store within 12 days. If there's some builder scope pending or the civil work pending, it can take about 25 days also. Maximum is the 25 days.
All right. You also talked about 2,000 odd pieces which goes in one store. How is the selection of
Right.
the categories and the product mix done? Is there some relevant data that you would have on the demand in that location? Can the franchisee have any say in the selection of these categories and SKUs?
Initially, when we are launching the store for the first time, we try to keep the whole range in the store. अगर हम फ्रेंचाइजी को बोले कि आप चूज करके प्रोडक्ट दो, तो ही विल बी मोर फोकस के डेनिम रखते, शर्ट रखते. बट इनिशियली जब आप कंज्यूमर पहली बार आपके स्टोर में आ रहा है, तो वी नीड के वो पूरी रेंज देखे कंपनी की. हो सकता है उसको टी शर्ट डेनिम में इंटरेस्ट ना आए, बट शर्ट में आए, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में इंटरेस्ट आ सकता है. तो इनिशियली हम पूरी प्रोडक्ट रेंज कवर करेंगे. जहाँ पे हम जो पर्टिकुलर सिटी है जहाँ पे हम ओपन कर रहे हैं, सपोज लाइक जैसे रांची में ओपन किया, तो वो जो मार्केट है, आजू बाजू का मार्केट किस तरह का है, वहाँ पे किस टाइप का प्रोडक्ट रेंज एक्सेप्ट हो रहा है. सपोज आप कोई स्टोर खोल रहे हो, वहाँ पे आजू बाजू पे मतलब इट इज कंप्लीटली सराउंडेड बाय कोचिंग सेंटर्स, एंड सो इट इज वेरी क्लियर दैट योर कस्टमर रेंज विल बी अबाउट एज ग्रुप ऑफ 18 to 25. So we will focus on providing that kind of stock in that particular store. Once the initial stock has been supplied of 2,000 pieces, the repetition of the orders can be selected by the franchise. Like he can select which product he wants, which size he wants, which color he wants. But the first initial stock will be supplied by the company as per the analysis of the particular city, the purchasing power of the city, the more choice of the city. उसके बेस पे कंपनी अपना इनिशियल स्टॉक सप्लाई करेगी टू कवर द होल रेंज एंड टू सेटिस्फाई एंड क्रिएट अ गुड कन्वर्जन रेट. 10 कस्टमर आ रहे हैं तो वी कैन कन्वर्ट अबाउट 9 कस्टमर्स. सो टू क्रिएट अ 90% कन्वर्जन रेट, उस हिसाब से कंपनी अपना इनिशियल स्टॉक सप्लाई करेगी, जहां पे पूरा sizes, colors and range cover होगा. फिर second orders जब refilling का time आएगा तब franchisee will put in his order. Okay, what particular size he requires, what particular product he requires, and what color he requires.
Okay, great. Now we've kind of covered the question on the cities. I'll pick some cities, and if we can talk specifically, we are open for these locations. We haven't covered those locations. So Surat, for example, we have Ashwin Patel from Surat, who's keen for Surat as a location. We also have Mr. Vinod Kumar from Rajasthan, Sri Ganganagar. So are these locations potential or in the rollout for you to consider?
Surat, we are open. Ganganagar, we are sorry, but we already have a store.
Okay. And the other location is Suratgarh. If not Sri Ganganagar, he would like to know if Suratgarh is also open.
Suratgarh, we can work out.
All right, helpful. And I'll pick maybe one more question from the audience. If somebody is already running some e-com platform, can the products be available to him to be put on the website?
Right now, we are not much focused on keeping the product on other e-commerce websites. We are more focused on developing our own website so as we can create a good value for the franchisee stores. Because we want that all the online orders should be delivered from the particular franchisee stores.
Great. Even one more question, because being a brand, I'm sure you get a lot of locations and properties from dealers, brokers all across. Is there any ideal list of locations or properties that you've already shortlisted and you want to perhaps give that maybe as a starting point?
So in Rajasthan, we have this kind of locations very much shortlisted. In Rajasthan and Gujarat particularly. Gujarat, like Ahmedabad itself, we have some property locations finalized. Rajkot, we have property locations finalized, and some other like Junagadh, Porbandar. For Rajasthan also, Jaipur, Kota, Udaipur, this kind of cities, we already have finalized locations.
Great. I think this information is very helpful. And so while we've tried and covered, and a lot of people have also written they would like to get in touch with you, maybe we can request a time in the next week, maybe Thursday or a Friday if you're available. We can rather bring our prospective investors who have come today on a call with you. So Gujarat and Rajasthan, you mentioned are locations, regions rather, where you might have some properties which are available for specific cities, which can also be given to the investors if they are keen to locate and look at these locations. And for others, friends, I look forward. You can send, a lot of you have asked on the number. We have put a hotline number also in the chat box. Kindly take a note of that number. Reach out on this number. We'll help you connect with Gemin in this coming week. In case you have a property or a location, even if you're running an MBO outlet, I saw one of you putting that. If you have one, do mention what city you're keen on. Any experience you have in retailing would also be helpful for us to understand. And we'll connect you with the Gemin Thursday or Friday, or Gemin any other day that you think is open for you at this stage.
I guess Thursday I'm not available. Friday is fine.
Friday we can do. So this is about 4 days, 5 days from now. So we'll take that time to filter the profile of the investors who have come in and bring them to you. And before we leave, Gemin, we'll request maybe for a message or a final word from you to the audience.
So I'll say Barcelona is a completely low cost effective business for you to start. आप 12-15 लाख रुपए के इन्वेस्टमेंट में अगर एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो तो बार्सिलोना इज अ परफेक्ट मैच फॉर यू, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको एक अश्योर्ड कंज्यूमर है कि बार्सिलोना हैज ऑलरेडी अ गुड ब्रांड वैल्यू. आपको फर्स्ट डे से वॉक-इन्स मिलेंगे एंड जो एक्सपेंसेस जिस हिसाब से आप स्टोर के एक लायबिलिटी में स्टार्ट करोगे दैट कैन बी इजीली कवर्ड. So when a new entrepreneur or a beginner thinks of starting the business, the first thought he should always have is कि प्रॉफिट थोड़ा कम होगा या लेट होगा चलेगा, बट लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए. सो बार्सिलोना इज दैट ब्रांड व्हिच कैन सैटिस्फाई दिस लायबिलिटी ऑफ योर्स कि लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए.
Very good feedback and good presentation. And Gemin, I think you're building a good brand. You worked hard. So, and very, very hopeful that you will be one day a very strong brand in the market. We've seen brands at your stage to keep the focus and keep focus on fashion, because fashion is something which will drive the business, because end of the day, India is a very young country, and fashion trends, all this keep changing very fast. And whosoever has a pulse on fast fashion would grow in the market. And
we more say it as an affordable fashion.
Absolutely. And I think I always know that value can take you, open up doors for you, but attention of a customer is only about fashion. Because if you really see last 25 years of what we have seen in the retail industry and seen the evolution, I've seen two kinds of brand. One brands we were able to bring in a lot of people in their doors and created a lot of hype around that, but they were not able to retain that because they lacked fashion. And there are brands which are very fashion conscious and they historically lasted. I mean, the first brand which entered India was Benetton, and still have survived 3 decades in India doing it. And a lot of other brands have also not been able to sustain, because fundamental is that these companies historically come with a very deep rooted fashion value. And you are doing the right thing. That's why you've gone to casual. Casual is a big market. Even the formal brands have actually shifted themselves. If you see the Allen Solis and the Louis Phillips, and they were all formal brands, they shifted them term to casual because they understood that India is young and the vibrant denim works. So that's what I think you're doing. Doing good work and keep exciting the customers, giving them value for what they're looking at. The store designs look interesting, and keep evolving that. And I think we will work at Franchise India, work very hard to make Barcelona
For
an
sure.
India brand.
For sure.
Over to you, Sonia.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jaimin, for coming in today. And I would maybe second and echo, value retail is a clear winner amongst all the formats that we have, and still the core of Indian consumption and India value. So wish you all the best, and we'll come back to you
Thank you so
with
much.
prospective investors in the coming week, and we look forward to
For sure.
together.
For
Thank
sure.
you so much.
Thank you.
Over to you, Archana.
Yeah. Thanks, Jamin, for joining in today, and you
Thank you, Archana.
beautifully presented your franchise model. We would like to thank our panel member, all the dear participants who have joined us today. Thank you so much for joining in. Please do connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 97176838838. We invite and encourage all your suggestions, feedback at the same business hotline number. The regional team as well as corporate team will definitely be in touch with you to give solution. You can also connect with us at our different social handles. Join us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. There you'll get the entire library of all the previously done webinar, brands representation and different summits. You can also connect and write to management team of Franchise India at their respective LinkedIn IDs. And tomorrow we are inviting you to join the journey of Groupec Fitness. That's the brand we are presenting you tomorrow under Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. And since it's Sunday tomorrow, we always try to bring the best of the opportunities under two show, Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series as well as regional show. And for regional show, we invite you to join sharp 3 p.m. to understand top 10 popular brands. So these two franchise show we are representing and bringing for you tomorrow. For both the franchise submits, please do registration at the same business hotline number, so that you get a confirmation mail from our side and you can join us for respective shows. So thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Sonia.